Hey guys, it's Tom from Real Antique Wood. We've been getting a lot of questions regarding the strength and durability of our steel floating brackets. I have here a 20-inch, also known as a small bracket. This has two 6-inch prongs on it. They are 1/2 inch in diameter, and your shelving will fit right over it. It'll disappear once you put the shelf on it. So Anthony is going to show you how we install these, and then we're going to show you just how strong these guys are.
So as Tom stated before, we're going to test out the durability and the strength of our floating shelf brackets. We've gone ahead in the back of the shop, drilled out our holes to mount it, and next step is to actually make the magic happen, put the bracket up and test it out. So we've actually taken a countersink just so that the screws sit flush in the bracket, just to keep everything nice and tight to the wall. So we've already gone ahead and pre-drilled the studs. Of course, we want to hit as many studs as possible. We'll run that one home. We're going to take our level here, make sure that we're where we need to be, which perfectly lines up with our pre-drilled holes prior. Now we're just using an 1 3/4 screw. If there was sheetrock on the wall, we would obviously need to use a little bit longer screw. I'd probably go with 2 1/4. So now once the bracket's installed, we'll go ahead and make sure that we're level. I want to get a close-up of that. That's right on the button. So now for right now, typically, if this was a permanent install, we would definitely recommend putting a little bit of epoxy or maybe some construction adhesive, PL320, something along those lines, inside the holes that are drilled in the back of the shelf, just to make sure that it stays on the two tangs here. And it goes on nice. Everything lines up nice, clean. Now, of course, want to make sure everything is level, which we're just about there, keeping in mind that this is the original top side of the shelf, so there will be some variation in there, but that can always be adjusted with shims on the back side up against the wall if it's not perfect. So that's about it. Certainly plenty strong. So I guess the important part comes down. What do you think, Tom?
I think, we're ready to stand on that.
So it's certainly been asked, is it strong? So let's go ahead and see. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to hold on to the wall for balance here, but I'm 220 pounds and certainly hanging on. So there we have it. I'd say it's strong. It passes the test.